Hey, this is welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool event right here, and basically what this is an automatic pet feeder. And you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and you see for the packaging for this one, it's actually pretty cute. But first time I should open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first open up. So right here on top, we do have the brand logo. Right here, they do mention how it's a 5-liter food container. And when you guys look on the side right here, they do show you guys an image of what the product looks like. And the way how they design the product allows you guys to use it wired or wireless. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, and see how it's all well protected. If you guys do take it out, right underneath that, you can see we do have the product. If you guys take it out, inside we do have the product. And they do provide you guys a bunch of these little Halloween stickers, which are pretty cute. But if you guys do take out the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So the front part right here, we do have the brand logo. Right here, we do have a clear view so that we can see the food level that's inside. Bottom part right here, we do have a view button for you to press, which are basically like the normal button for any kind of pet feeder. In terms of touch option, up and down, speak option, or voice record option, and etc. Bottom part right here is where you put the bowl when you guys do set it up. And for this section right here is where the food can come out. If you guys turn to the bottom, this actually looks like in the bottom. So they do have like this non-slip material on the bottom to prevent it from moving around when you guys do set up. Right here, we do have the speaker option, so that way when you guys use the voice recorder option, what you guys record on the actual product will come out from right here. And then for the bottom section, they do have an option for it to open up. And that is basically where you can put in the deep batteries if you guys want to use a backup generate option. And if you guys look carefully right here, that is where you plug in the cable to actually recharge it and activate it, which is basically a USB-C output. So really cool, it does give you guys those two different options to use depending on how you guys want to use it. And for the side of the product, they do have two buttons for you to press if you guys want to open up the lid, which I'll show you guys in a second. Top part right here, we do have the lid for it to open up, and that is where to put the food inside. So we have to unlock it. If you guys open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. So they do provide a desiccant bag for you to put inside. So that way it can help with the odor inside when you guys do use it. Right here, they do provide a USB wall charger that you use to power on the product. Right here, we do have a USB to USB-C cable that's nylon braided that you can use to power on the device. Right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Inside, they provide you guys a very nice little cute accessories if you guys want to use it. Right here, we do have the little cover for the desiccant option, which I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. And the last thing inside is a tray. So the way how you take it out, you basically want to push a button on both sides. And once you guys do that, now you can take it out. So just like that, very easy and very simple. And right here is basically what the tray looks like. And then this is basically what the inside looks like. So this part right here is going to spin and turn to actually push the food into the little hole to dispense it out from the bottom part right here. And that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's put everything together to show you guys what it looks like. So first thing I have to do is put this part back together. Make sure it clips in. Once it clips in, now I can work on the lid. So for the lid option, you basically want to put the desiccant bag right here on top and close it back up. So just like that. Once you guys got it in, you have to put the lid back on. And lock back the lid. Alright, so once you guys lock the lid, then it's all set at that part. And then for the tray option, if you guys put it on like this, that's what it looks like once you guys do put on a tray. So once you guys got that all set up, then it's ready to plug in the cable to start using it. So it's plug in the cable on the bottom. So once you guys do plug it in, eventually it does turn on. So for the first time using the product, you do want to change the different settings on here based on your own preference in terms of when you guys want the food to come out and also the portion that comes out as well. So I do press on it. That's basically the feed button. If you guys want to change different settings, press on the other buttons. So once you guys get to this part right here, you guys can adjust the time in terms of when you guys want to come out. Let's say if you guys want to feed at that time, press on this button. And then adjust that. And then press on again. And now you can change the portion that comes out. Once you guys are done, press on this button. And it's all set. So if you can change the other option, feel free to change it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different options on here when you guys do set up. But once you guys set up, then you guys are all set. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to manually dispense it, you basically want to press on this button. And that will dispense it out. If you guys want to use the voice recorder option, you basically want to press and hold this button. And then whatever you guys say on here, that'll be recorded. And once you guys do let go, eventually the recorder option on here definitely does work. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. now I'm gonna bring this over to a different room to test it out by putting some stuff inside right here to show you guys how well it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product all set up and I put some food inside. Let's test it out to see how it works. So right now it's locked. If you guys want to unlock it, you guys can press right here. Alright, so we unlocked it. If you guys press this button,
and the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go, and the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go, and the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go, and the one if you guys stay on here,
if you see, the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. It took me 2 rounds to run the product in order for it to come out, since it is like a brand new product. So I do it one more time.
And the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go, and the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go.
If you see, the product definitely does work when you guys do use it, and very easy and very simple for us to set it up and use it. And just to show you guys what the inside looks like, if you guys turn it on,
and the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go, and the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go,
let's do it one more time.
and the one if you guys stay on here, that will be recorded. And when you guys will let go, and the one if you guys stay on here, and when you guys will let go.
That is basically what the inside looks like. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So I can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually very easy and very simple. Once you guys got connected and changed all the different settings on here, in terms of schedule option, the portion size, the voice option, and etc., then it's basically all set and just let it do its own thing. Or like I mentioned, if you guys want to do the manual feeding option, feel free to do so as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality pet feeder that basically has the same feature that's on here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.